If you are one of these people that has to do this, then your buy box has become very, very, very small because your money doesn't buy that much anymore. When I talk about buy box, I talk about one of the big things is if you are that person that has to get bank financing, either by putting 30% down and getting 8% interest, or putting 10% down and getting 11%, or let's say 15% down and 11% interest, so 10 to 15% down. If you are one of these people that has to do this, then your buy box has become very, very, very small because your money doesn't buy that much anymore, right? And so because of that, there's just a smaller pool of deals that work, right? Due to your interest rates being super high. And that's what we're seeing by putting all these offers in. The sellers of the property. Now, what we're seeing is that sellers of properties are becoming more flexible. We are putting a ridiculous amount of offers in, but they're becoming more flexible in the idea that they are open to getting offers on their deals, and they're open to listening to you, and they're open to like at least getting offers. Okay. And like last year, like we were having a hard time even being able to put offers in, right? People were just like, no, or they want like super ridiculous prices. Okay. So again, going back to my deal analyzer, my amazing deal analyzer. All right. This tool is there to help you put offers in because your buy box, if you need to get financing on a deal, bank financing on a deal, your buy box has become very, very small. All right. Banks are not financing deals because they're conservative. And on top of that, numbers are not working with financing. They are working, but it's few and far between. Okay. All right. So the great thing about the deal analyzer and what I teach, if you've been following me for years, is that I teach to make 5 different offers. Okay. You want to make, and you want to run your numbers on 5 different, that's a lot. If you're doing 5 separate offers, that's a lot of offers to be running your numbers on. But if you can do a cash offer and you could do like creative deal structures, and if you can do bank financing, if you can run your numbers getting a private lender, if you could run your numbers on fixed versus interest only payments, and then if you can create offers explaining all these different types of deals to the owner, right? Your buy box has just gotten bigger. Okay. Your buy box. So if you're making an offer and your offer is like, hey, here's my offer, it's $1 million, and that's it, right? Then you are making your buy box smaller. The market calls for a bigger buy box. I'm going to give you a whole bunch of different ways to make your buy box bigger. That's the goal for today. All right. So that you have more of a chance to find something that works. Okay. So you want to make your buy box as big as possible. So because of that, I really push making 5 offers at the same time, or even making a whole bunch of different types of offers. Because when you make an offer to an owner, and you can use this deal analyzer, you can use this process, not only going directly to the owner, which is what we do, right? But also making offers to brokers through Crexy or the MLS, or like, because you're sending over your offer letter, and by law they give that offer letter to the owner. Okay. So you can do this with any type of deal, any type of way to find deals. Okay. But my point is that our goal over the next couple of years is to make our buy box bigger. That's what you need to be doing. Because I talked to many people over the last couple of weeks, and their buy box is, oh, I have 100 grand. And I'm going to have to go to a bank and get a loan, and I'm expecting to buy like the perfect storage facility for that, and I want it to be like within driving distance of my house. Okay. And the truth of the matter is that is few and far between. Few and far between. Okay. Rarely in the next couple of years are you be able to find something like this. Let's make our buy box bigger. Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.